Hello students, today we shall discuss the second mass movement conducted under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. That was civil disobedience movement. The period of civil disobedience movement was from 1930 to 34. What do you mean by civil disobedience movement? Civil disobedience movement, what Gandhiji meant, that is paralyzing the administration by breaking the rules and regulations. We know that non-cooperation movement which Gandhiji conducted earlier, that was aimed for not to cooperate with the British. Here, violate the rules and regulations of the British, laws of the British, thereby paralyze the administration. That was civil disobedience movement. Why did Gandhiji start this movement? Or what were the factors led to the civil disobedience movement? Or what were the causes led to the civil disobedience movement? Two causes as per your syllabus you have to study. That is one, the Simon Commission. The second one, Declaration of Purna Swaraj by INC. First we shall discuss the Simon Commission. What was Simon Commission? Simon Commission was the Indian statutory commission appointed by the British in the year 1927. For what purpose? To investigate the need for further constitutional reforms in India. Because diarchy was going on in our country and the government wanted to find out whether the diarchy was functioning properly or not, or any other constitutional reforms necessary in India or not. For that purpose, Simon Commission was appointed. Non-constitutional body. That is why we call it a statutory commission. Then how did Indians react to the Simon Commission? The reaction of the Indians boycotted the Simon Commission. Indians were not ready to accept the Simon Commission. They boycotted the commission because the commission did not have any Indian member. The commission consisted of 7 members headed by Sir John Simon, and all the 7 members were the Europeans. So Indians called it as a white commission. They boycotted it. The commission's purpose was to investigate the problems in India. In such a commission, no Indian was included means that Indians could not accept. So they decided to boycott the commission. They thought that it was a violation of the principle of self-determination of the Indians. Questioned the self-respect of the Indians. So they decided to boycott the commission. In the year 1928, February 3rd, the commission arrived in Mumbai to study the conditions in India, to inquire the need for constitutional reforms in India. When commission arrived, Indians greeted the commission with the black flags and they shouted, "Simon, go back." Wherever Simon went, hartals were organized by the Indians and they boycotted the Simon Commission. This was one of the reasons for the starting of civil disobedience movement by Gandhiji. Then the next reason, that was the Declaration of Purna Swaraj in the famous Lahore session of 1929 by INC under the presidency of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Why such a resolution was passed by INC for the first time? Because British government rejected the demands of the Indians. In the year 1928, Indians drafted a constitution, popularly known as a Nehru Report, some recommendations. And in the year 1928, the Congress asked the government to accept the Nehru Report, otherwise ready to face a mass movement. And 1 year time was given. No positive response from the side of the government. So in the next year, 1929, as usual, Congress session was held at Lahore, and it was presided by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and Congress for the first time passed Purna Swaraj resolution as the goal of the Congress. The aim of the Congress was to attain complete independence. And the Congress Working Committee had taken some important decisions. That is, they decided to celebrate 26th January 1930 as our Independence Day by hoisting the Congress flag. 1929 December, the Lahore session, the declaration of Purna Swaraj resolution was passed, and the Congress Working Committee decided to celebrate 26th January 1930 as our Independence Day, and decided to celebrate Independence Day every year January 26. We know the importance of January 26th, our Republic Day. Our Constitution came into being on 26th January because of this importance, historical importance 26th January has. Then again, after taking this decision, then the Congress Working Committee decided to start civil disobedience movement under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi.